Okay, I got this laundry detergent that smells really, really good. And it also came with a stain stick that removes, it lists on here a bunch of different stains, all different juices, tomatoes, blood, chocolate grass. So that will be useful. You can hear the liquid in there. And then in here, these can go in your dryer. They're reusable. I opened one. They smell really good. So I've got these beads, and you can use this in the dryer up to 8 times. It also has ideas for other ways to use it, like putting it in your vacuum cleaner bag, which I'm totally gonna do with one of these. And then you can just place them in your gym bag or drawers or trash pail, just to like keep things smelling good, because these smell really good and clean and strong. Same with this wash. There's what it looks like on the inside. So it gets sudsy a little bit, not too much. And it smells super good. So here's instructions for how to use it in your washing machine or to wash by hand. Yeah, I'm excited to use this. I think it will make my clothes and things smell really good.